Hello everyone, welcome back. So in today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how you can cancel a buy or sell order on Trading 212 in 2026. So first of all, you need to simply launch your Trading 212 application and then log into your account if you haven't already. Now over here on the home page, tap on this portfolio icon here in the bottom, and over here you are going to see all of the pending orders that you have placed or all of the positions that you are currently in. So if you want to cancel any of the pending orders, you need to simply tap on this cross icon right next to it and then tap on the option of yes cancel. Similarly, you need to basically, if you want to cancel any of your currently working or opened position, like I am currently in this sales on gold. So you need to simply tap on the option of cross icon and then tap on the option of close position. So this way you will be able to basically close or cancel your position. If this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.